Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Oliver Peoples Gregory Peck. The model number on these is OV5217S. So let's do the unboxing. So most Oliver Peoples are going to just come in the Oliver Peoples bag. Most don't come in boxes. I mean, some do, but majority don't. Maybe like 80% come in bags. Maybe more than that actually. Inside you're gonna get the Oliver Peoples case. Most are gonna be this dark leather, like brown color. It'll have Oliver Peoples Los Angeles on here. It is a hard case. Nothing's gonna happen to it. The other things that come with it is the cloth slash like pouch case. It's dark brown, also in Oliver Peoples in gold here. It's a nice looking pouch case, and then it also has these nice drawstrings. And on the inside you get like an information booklet. It's not an authenticity card or anything. Oliver Peoples don't offer that. I mean, this booklet is kind of pointless. It's like how to use your glasses, and it's a pointless booklet, but it's included. On the inside, so with the sunglasses, you're not gonna get the like the RX. The eyeglasses will come with like a cloth. These will have, you know, the pouch cloth. This is also a cloth material, so this will act as your cloth. On the inside, it does feature the Oliver Peoples logo. It's like a nice soft material inside. It's like a beige. So onto the frames. So this color is the 1101 R8. 1101 is the frame color that's gonna be crystal. So it's like a transparent. And the lenses are the part of the code is R8, so that's going to be the Crystal Indigo Photochromic, which means this will get darker in the sun, and when you go inside where there's no sun, it'll get lighter. So this is probably the lightest it'll get right now, because it wasn't just in the box and there was nothing to activate, like the sun's rays will activate. So if you go outside with these, it should turn, you know, a darker like blue. I'm not even sure if I can really show you what's, because it's so clear. I don't know if anything can focus on it. But you know, it does have a nice, interesting design. So it has the transparency with the metal piece running through it, which is cool to see, because, you know, like if it was black you wouldn't be able to see it, but it does have even like little details here. It just has the Oliver Peoples logo, you know, on the inside, and then also at the temple ends also features the Oliver Peoples emblem here. So that emblem is only going to be on the left side. It's not on the right side, as you can see. There is no logo on the lens. I forget if this is the one. Like some of them, like if you put some water. You know what? Let me just try it. Nope. Some of them, like the logo, once you like use like a water or the lens cleaner, it, you know, there's a hidden logo. But I guess it's not all of them. Lesson learned. I think like the ones I remember, like the Clifton has them. On the inside you're gonna have the model information, the OV5217S. also known as the Gregory Peck. This one has both a model number and a model name. The color of this particular one is 1101R8. The sizing information is it's 47mm lens width, 23mm bridge width. It's 150mm temple length, and the lens height is 42.8mm. So this is a very popular frame. It only comes in one size, the 47 size. I would say it's like a medium, so it'll fit most people. It is a unisex frame, so both for women and men. The frames, it's both metal and plastic, mostly plastic, with temple accents here and there, and on the inside. I mean, definitely, touching this, you definitely feel the quality of them. Very nice feel, very nice frames, very high end. You just can tell all the little, just the quality everywhere, Also, these frames are made in Italy. It is written here. It's just very hard to see because it's transparent. And also on here, it does read Oliver Peoples, LA, and it does say photochromatic on here. Sorry, it's photochromic. I think photochromic and photochromatic is the same thing. It's just people say different things. I don't know. So yeah, it's a very nice looking frame. I think you'll be happy with them. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Please hit that subscribe button.